Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is to learn how to customize and change the header in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. And in this part I will show you how can you customize, how can you change the header part for the header, footer, and widgets. So this is the part where it is called as header of any website, and if you go to extremely but bottom extreme down, then you will find the part that is extreme lower part. This is called as footer. Okay, so in this video, in this part, I'll show you how you can change, how you can customize the header and footer along with widgets, or the sidebars mainly. Okay, so I'll show you the exact step-by-step process by which you can change you can customize the whole thing, the whole website and the whole layout. Okay, so initially for that what you have to do, you have to go to the appearance option. If you go to appearance, then you will find one option as customize. This is the option by which you can customize the theme, and in the theme itself they have given couple of other different various of header, different various of footer. We can change, we can customize the whole thing. Okay, so if we go to this theme, this is a panel customization part. So you can see here in the left hand side, you will get this option is footer and this option is headed. So, if you want to change the header layout, if we just click it, I'm just clicking on header button, then it will show, it is asking me top bar. So if I give an animal top bar, it will reflect over here. So whatever changes I'm doing over here, it will automatically come here, it will show you as a preview. See, I have clicked on enable top bar and it is reflecting with all the details: name, phone number, email ID, phone number, address. So if I just click on and tick it OK, if I just click on and until then it will go disappear. Okay, see it has been disappeared. In the same way you can customize the whole thing. Like for example, if you want to change this email address, if you want to change this phone number of whatever, you can just go scroll down and you can just change anything and everything, including the buttons, including the icons, every single thing. Okay, so this is the top part, a top bar. So now had appearance, so they had given couple of other styles of header. So if I change anything in the header style, it will automatically change. Okay, so it is as of now style 6. So I want to change it to maybe, for example, Thai style 3. Let's see how the website looks. It is demo now, like demo in the sense whatever style we are changing over here, it will reflect to come here. Okay. It is just giving a preview once we are selecting any of the style. After that, we have to click on publish button, then only it will go live. For your own convenience, you can simply preview any of the style, any of the layout, any of the design as per your choice. And after that you can publish the whole thing. So for example, I'm just selecting the style number 4. And let's see for the header APR, so it's looking little bit good itself. So as of now, once we make it published, then we can see you can just do the same thing as per your choice. You can just change any of the layout or any of the style. Okay, so these are all social media buttons. See, if we go to sales, you can find all the buttons, whatever you want to add on the particular size. So as of now, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and one more, YouTube is enabled. Okay, if you want to disable, just click on, then it will automatically disable. So here you can see all the as of now 3. The social medias are connected: Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. See, in this area Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn is, is appearing here. The same way you can add any number of social media networks and what you can just customize as per your requirements. That's all, we are done with our header part. So let's go to footer part. What is footer part? And let's see how we can change. So footer, as I said, is the very bottom part of any website or any page. So this is the lipstick. What is the layout? Layout, this one. So if we want to change any of the layout in the same way like what we did for header, in the same way we can change any of the header style or design or layout, whatever. If you want to change, if you want to add any of the logo, you can simply download, because simply browse the logo and we can customize it as per our requirement. Also we can give height to it, and initially if you don't get it, it will automatically take from the selected device height or weight. So initially you don't have to give. If you don't have to worry for anything, or it will automatically take as per the requirement of the device. Okay, so this is the footer text. So here they have this one, the copyright some date, and you can change your name the same with this one. This is a copyright, you can change this whole thing. Okay. And footer text in the sense if we may be somewhere, it is their footsteps. Anyways, we need to check, so if we just need it, if you want to customize the whole setting, you can do the same thing. If you want to hide social networks, if you want to hide food or logo, if you want to highlight any of the part, any of the widget, then you can do that, you can make it possible. Okay, so as of now it is additional widget is disabled. If you want to, you can enable, you can just add up to 4 widgets per page. And this seriously is very awesome team, and I believe it will give you all the flexibilities if you just buy this team. It's very awesome, and I'm personally using the same team. Okay. So, these are all like small things what you need to take care, and this is Proto Social, and if you go to buried down of this particular section, maybe somewhere it will come. If I close this section, then you can see this photo, a minimum of 4 footer of Instagram, links, social links will come in the footer section. Okay, so once we have the 1C done with our changes, then we can simply click on publish. Automatically the changes will save in the backend, and the changes, the design, the layout, whatever you have changes you've seen so far, automatically it will get applied on your website. So I want to just check how the website, how the look and feel is changed. So I'm refreshing the page and let's see how it is. Page, I have changed header style, I have changed footer style. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it has been changed somewhere. Okay. So, we just need to change, we are almost done approximately. So, we just need to change this middle part. Almost we have covered all area, and the social media part, the footer part, I have removed the social medias, it is not reflecting. So initially you can change, you can customize the whole part. So now left one point is widgets. So we just have to go to one option. That is calls appearance, then widget. Okay, so widgets are the sidebar side menus, and it is also present in the footer part as well. So it is very simple. You have to add whatever you need in the right hand sidebar. What do you need? Like for example, search bar this and post, simply you have to click on this. If you don't need, you can delete it from here, it will automatically disappear. So if you need the categories, what are all categories are present in your website? If you wanted, you can add it. If you don't want, you can simply delete it. No need of these kind of things. What is simply making crap on the website? I don't need mere metadata. I don't need recent comments. Okay, so you can customize the whole part. So for example, I have David, this is the part where you can change the right hand sidebar, the left side, but left adval no one news. So as of now you don't have to worry for this. And in photo, if you want to add widget in photo, you can do that from this part. Okay. So these are left with just what you can add. So for example, you want to add something like some audio, you can simply just drag and drop in this widget part, it will automatically get added here. Do you have to give any title or any name in heading of this particular link, particular audio, it will auto after that. You can say that's it. It is so simple and it is like very easy. It's not like you have to learn coding, you have to do programming, you don't need anything to build a page like this. Okay, so you can not only change this audio part, I can just simply add anything, any number and number of widgets and number of, if you want to fix something like search bar, so you can simply go to just drag and drop, you just drag and then you have to go to simply on this page, you can just drop it, you can just after that, you can just simply give this title and it is ready to go. That's all what you need. If you don't want it, you can just simply click on delete, it will automatically delete the OK, that's all. This is the widget part. In the next part, I'll show you how you can create blog and how you a blog post. And after that we are our last point. That is how can we create menus. And that's all for today. Next video is to learn how to add blog post to rank your website in WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.